Enjoy teaching. I have a slight background in programming because I worked in web design for a while, so it does access that part of my brain. And it is a fun thing to test, being able to test out what different parts of your game works and what doesn't. I also like that it brings together a lot of different medium, because to make a successful game, you got to be able to market it. You have to be able to create the packaging, the box that it comes in, so that requires a lot of art, 2D, digital photography, typography, the art of making fonts and things like that. Also, you probably would want to do some kind of a trailer advertisement, which brings in video production, and digital photography and video production are my two main areas that I teach. And so anything that kind of combines all three of those is kind of a win-win for me.
What was your favorite assignment that you taught?
In game design? I'm really looking forward to getting into GameMaker. We've been using a different bit of software ever since the other software didn't quite work with the new login system that the district had installed. So I've done a bunch of things. I taught game design one other time about 3 years ago. So I'm looking forward to getting into GameMaker because I did some cool stuff with that. But as far as Scratch goes, I really liked the Sonic style scroller. I liked how easy it was. And I like in Scratch how easy it is to recreate projects that you see, and everything is open-ended and transparent. So if you like a game in Scratch, you can easily look inside the program and see how it's made, and then be able to take a little bit of code from this project and a little bit of code from that project and be able to make your own projects.
What assignment did you not like teaching as much as the others in game design?
I think feeling like the graphic limitations in Scratch really kind of bothers me. Just where sprites are placed on the game board, the limited ability to create art in your game within the Scratch program itself. I think all the games that I teach, I think I like about the same, because it is the same process that you're teaching over and over again. It's just the skill of how do you do this bit of programming and how do you do that bit of programming. I'm looking forward to getting into some of the digital art part of the class, where we're going to be teaching how to maybe do some things in Photoshop. I really liked when we recorded our own avatars, so I took pictures of the entire class, each individual person standing in front of a green screen, and then I taught the students how to knock out the background and have a transparent image so they could put themselves into video games. So that was really fun.
Would there be anything you'd like to add or leave out for graphic design?
For game design, I would like, I just want to have GameMaker because it's the new professional version. I would like to see a world where the students are able to combine 3D animation, video production, and game design into a seamless product. I also would like to see a world where it would be super easy to embed video games onto web pages, whether it's in Scratch or GameMaker. I run all of my classes on WordPress blogs, and I'm a really big believer in online education and online learning and having students critique each other's work. And it would be so cool to have games embedded on a page where students wouldn't have to click and go to a separate program to view, but could actually view it right there on the same screen. I think that would really be valuable.